you want to open the PLU Excel. So now it is here, 1 and 2 is done. Now I'm entering 3 and onion as name. The price is, I'm doing 400 paisa. It must be in weight, right? If it is weight, you want to give a unit test 3. If it is piece, you want to give unit test 2. And item code will be continuous. And here you want to do the barcode number. First bill is 31, as same as before. If you want to change the price sections, now the cucumber is 500. If you want to change to 600, just click 600 and press OK. And after every correction is done here, just press save. You can see the save button. Just close the PLU and open the weighing scale software. Press yes. Login. Now select Excel CSV file, import, press import button. Then you can see a PLU. Just click PLU and the updation is done. Just close this page and go to database, then PLU. Here something is done, so I'm deleting this. Now we can see tomato, cucumber, onion is done. Okay, then go to Ethernet. Just tick here, then check the PLU is ticked, download to device and press execute. It is gone there. Okay, now close this application. Here we add a new product name, onion. That product is not available in our software, so we want to create that product in software. If we already created, you don't want to go to product and change the price sections and everything. The price sections and everything will be calculated through the weighing scale barcode, so you don't want to worry about it. If a new product is entered in that Excel, so that product must be added in Riyalo software. So I'm entering the software, admin, the code is 123456, logging it. Then go to product, then new. Here barcode must be started 991003, that is the item code. Here also the same thing, the item name, onion, the group must be vegetable. Okay, then just save it. It is saved. So when you close here, you can see the onion also will come here. Onion is also there. So when you scan the barcode from the weighing scale, it will directly come to the screen. Thank you.